Hey, finally, a new option from RPM Tesla Aftermarket Accessories. These are fog lights. Fog lights, but they're special fog light upgrades. Not only do they blink with turn signals, but they allow standard range Model 3 owners to upgrade to have functioning fog lights. Look how easy it is. You connect them, you run a wire down to your tail light, and when you get in the car, every time you turn on the lights, they do the animation, they light up, and you have super bright fog lights. Awesome. The turn signals connect the same way as our standard ones do. And we're gonna make a video, show everybody how to run the wire the best way, but you're just gonna run this wire all the way down inside the car, of course, all the way and come out in the trunk and connect it via the rear tail lights. Awesome, super bright and safer. And this is a great upgrade for a lot of customers that have the standard range fog lights that don't turn on because there's actually no LEDs inside and no wire harness. So this wire harness is a Y-splice and it runs all the way back. Thanks again, they're in stock now. Okay, so what comes in the package or the box? You're gonna get a left and a right fog light replacement. If you have the standard range, obviously you're gonna remove the pretend one inside. This is the connection. This wire goes here, this wire goes here, and this runs all the way back along the driver's side of the car and plugs into your existing tail light. Plug and play. It's that simple. The location of the wire harness is the only thing we're going to illustrate in our installation video. And then once you do that, you're going to connect the turn signal indicator or the repeater in your fender. And you're going to splice right into it like we show in our other video. Then you're going to have a flashing fog light upgrade, so you're going to have 2 turn signals and new fog lights in your standard range Model 3. Thanks again for watching, and we think this is a great product, upgrades everybody's cars, makes you more or greater visible, and increases safety. Thanks again, RPM Tesla Aftermarket Accessories with the fog light upgrade kits for the standard range Model 3s.